Let's fix it. Open up browser and type the following text. We have seen the OpenGL 32.dll file download is now. Click it. Scroll down. Click download. Download complete after open the file. We have seen the two files inside it. Copy it. Come to this PC. Click it. Click the C drive. Click program files. Click Java. Click Java version. Click Win and paste the files inside it. Click continue. Once complete after, come back. Go to Windows folder. Click it. Here you need to paste it. Click System32 and paste the file here. Once complete after, close it. Click Settings. Click App. Click Installed App. And here you need to search for Java. And make sure if you're not having means, go to the official website of Java and download and install it. If you have older version means, you need to download and install the latest version of Java. And after that, come back and restart your PC. So this is how to fix the issue. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.